Powerlifting Association Manipur Plan Sinduna Ahanba Manipur Powerlifting Championship 2026 Pangthokre DM College of Teachers Education ge Auditorium Hall da nominee chupna pangthokadaba championship adu hawdokpugi thoramda Okram Henry former Minister Wangkai AC Ranabir Athokpam retired Range Forest Officer Dr. Konika Kurizam Principal and former IQAC Coordinator of DM College of Teachers Education Pramesh Arambam MPS Commandant for Indian Reserve Battalion Sashi Dananda Soibam MPS Commandant 5th Indian Reserve Battalion Saklemba Rajkumar MPS Superintendent of Police CID Security Naurem London Singh Proprietor Mountain Gem Mr. Manipur Overall Senior Mr. India Overall Nirmalata Loitongbam Retired Deputy SO Yas Imphal East Amadi Sampa Guha Joint Secretary Indian Powerlifting Federation na Thoramgi Athoi Meeting Sing Oina Saruk Yake